Balloon boat. Here are the materials you will need. Locate the foam board, straw, and scissors. Carefully drill a hole at the bottom center of the foam board. Be careful during this process. We will be inserting our straw into the hole we just created in the foam. Cut off approximately half of the straw with scissors. On one side of the straw, insert a rubber band and a balloon. Tighten the rubber band around the balloon so no air escapes. Now bend the other side of the straw in a 90-degree angle. Fasten the straw's position with tape. This is how the straw should look when completed. We will be blowing air through the straw to inflate the balloon. Now locate a large container and fill it with water. Place your boat in and watch it move across the surface. The air that's inside the balloon will be released through the straw. This allows the boat to move across the water.